When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal and providing long-term protection, the siding you choose plays a crucial role. The right siding material will not only improve the aesthetic appeal of your Macomb home but also provide valuable insulation, protection against the elements, and low maintenance for years to come. With so many options available, selecting the best siding material can feel overwhelming. However, by considering factors like climate, durability, and style, you can make a decision that fits both your home's needs and your budget. In this article, we'll guide you through the process of choosing the right siding for your Macomb home, ensuring that you invest in a solution that complements your house's design, boosts energy efficiency, and stands up to the weather. Consider the climate in Macomb. The first step in choosing the right siding material is to consider your home's environment. Macomb experiences cold winters with snow and ice, as well as humid summers. Therefore, your siding needs to be able to withstand both extremes while keeping your home insulated and protected. Vinyl siding. If you're looking for low-maintenance siding that can handle extreme weather conditions, vinyl siding is a great option. It is resistant to moisture and won't warp, crack, or rot when exposed to rain, snow, or humidity. Vinyl is also a great insulator, helping to keep your home warmer in winter and cooler in summer, ultimately reducing energy costs. Fiber cement siding. For even more durability, fiber cement siding is designed to endure harsh weather, including high winds, snow, and temperature fluctuations. It's fire-resistant, termite-resistant, and won't swell or crack under wet conditions, making it perfect for Macomb's fluctuating climate. Wood siding. While wood siding is a beautiful, natural option, it requires more maintenance to prevent water damage. Wood siding can swell or rot if exposed to excessive moisture, so if you choose wood, ensure it's properly sealed and maintained. It's best for homeowners who are willing to invest the time and effort required for upkeep. Durability and maintenance requirements. When selecting siding, it's essential to consider not only its aesthetic appeal but also its long-term durability. Some materials require more frequent maintenance than others, and it's important to weigh this against the time and effort you're willing to invest in upkeep. Vinyl siding. One of the main reasons homeowners choose vinyl siding is its low-maintenance nature. It won't need to be repainted, and it's resistant to fading, chipping, and cracking. Simply cleaning it once a year is usually enough to keep it looking great. Fiber cement siding. Fiber cement is also relatively low maintenance, although it may need to be repainted every 10 to 15 years. It is resistant to the typical wear and tear from the elements and is not prone to pests like termites, making it a durable and hassle-free option. Wood siding. Wood siding, while beautiful, requires more maintenance. It needs to be sealed regularly to prevent moisture absorption and protect against rot, mold, and insects. Wood siding also requires periodic painting or staining, which can be time-consuming. If you prefer a low-maintenance option, vinyl or fiber cement siding might be the right choice. But if you're ready to commit to the upkeep, wood siding can add a charming, rustic look to your home. Aesthetic appeal and style. The right siding can enhance your home's appearance and make it stand out in your neighborhood. When choosing siding, consider the overall architectural style of your Macomb home and how the material complements that style. Vinyl siding. Vinyl siding comes in a wide variety of colors, textures, and styles. Whether you prefer the classic horizontal lap siding or the more modern vertical panels, vinyl can be customized to match your style. Vinyl is versatile and can imitate the look of wood, stone, or other materials, allowing you to achieve a specific aesthetic without the high costs associated with these materials. Fiber cement siding. Like vinyl, fiber cement siding comes in a variety of textures and finishes, including smooth, rough, and wood-like designs. It can mimic the appearance of wood or stucco, providing homeowners with a wide range of design options that complement modern or traditional homes. Wood siding. Wood siding offers a timeless, natural look that enhances the warmth and charm of any home. It is especially well suited to homes with rustic or cottage-style designs. Whether you choose cedar, pine, or redwood, wood siding offers a range of natural tones and textures that can add unique character to your home. The aesthetic appeal of each siding material varies, so make sure to choose one that aligns with your vision for your home's exterior. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is another key consideration when choosing siding for your home. Well-insulated siding helps keep your home comfortable throughout the year while reducing heating and cooling costs. Some siding materials are better at improving energy efficiency than others. Vinyl siding. Vinyl siding is known for its energy efficiency, especially when paired with additional insulation. It prevents heat from escaping in the winter and keeps cool air inside during the summer, which can lower your energy bills. Fiber cement siding. Fiber cement siding is not naturally as energy efficient as vinyl but can still provide some insulation value. When combined with foam backing or added insulation, it can significantly improve the energy performance of your home. Wood siding. Wood naturally has insulating properties, and if well maintained, it can offer some energy savings. However, wood is not as effective in preventing energy loss as vinyl or fiber cement. To maximize energy efficiency, consider adding insulation underneath the wood siding. If energy efficiency is your top priority, vinyl siding is likely the best option. Fiber cement can also perform well when paired with additional insulation. Budget consideration. Finally, consider your budget when selecting siding. While some materials, like wood siding, can be more expensive initially, they may add significant value and appeal to your home. On the other hand, vinyl siding is a more affordable option that provides a great return on investment with minimal maintenance costs. Vinyl siding. Vinyl is one of the most budget-friendly siding options available, especially when factoring in its low maintenance needs and long lifespan. Fiber cement siding. While fiber cement is more expensive than vinyl, it offers long-term durability and a higher return on investment, especially for homeowners looking for a higher-end look. Wood siding. Wood siding can be costly upfront due to material and labor costs, and it may require more ongoing maintenance and care. However, it can also increase your home's curb appeal and value, making it a solid investment for the right homeowner. Conclusion: choosing the right siding for your Macomb home is a significant decision that impacts both the look and performance of your property. By considering factors like climate, maintenance, aesthetic appeal, and energy efficiency, you can select the ideal material to suit your needs and style preferences. Whether you opt for vinyl, fiber cement, or wood, the right siding will protect your home from the elements, improve energy efficiency, and enhance your home's curb appeal for years to come. Take the time to explore your options and work with a professional siding contractor to ensure a successful installation that adds lasting value to your home.